All right, so we have our ear model. This whole portion here from the tympanic membrane out is the external ear, auricle, external auditory meatus, and canal. So the meatus is the hole, and then the canal. Tympanic membrane is the eardrum. The little bones here are called ossicles. We have malleus, incus, and stapes. Stapes is sitting in the oval window. This is the vestibule. And then these circles are the semicircular canals. We have the anterior semicircular canal, posterior semicircular canal, and lateral semicircular canal. Cochlea, vestibulocochlear nerve. So we have the cochlear portion and the vestibular portion. Remember, this is responsible for hearing. This is responsible for equilibrium. If we flip this over, we can see the round window on the bottom. Okay. This is the middle ear, so from the tympanic membrane to where the vestibule starts is the middle ear. And then the cochlea with the semicircular canals and vestibule is the inner ear. This canal here is called the auditory tube or the eustachian tube. And this little muscle here is called tensor tympani. And that's everything that you need to know on the ear model. On our eyeball model, we have the sclera, it's the white part, and the cornea, which goes over top of the iris and pupil. The muscles on the eye, we have the superior rectus, we have the lateral rectus and medial rectus. Underneath, we have the inferior rectus and the inferior oblique. And then we can see the superior oblique on top. The muscles all move the eye, so we have the superior rectus moves the eye superior, lateral rectus moves the eye lateral, medial rectus moves the eye medially, inferior rectus moves the eye inferior, the inferior oblique moves the eye superior and lateral, and the superior oblique moves the eye inferior and lateral. Choroid with the nerves and blood vessels, ciliary body, iris, pupil. If we take that off, optic nerve, optic disc, that's where your blind spot is in the optic disc. Over here we have the fovea and the macula and the fovea centralis. Retina, this contains the rods and cones. From the lens anterior is the anterior compartment. It's filled with aqueous fluid. From the lens posterior is the posterior compartment. It's filled with vitreous fluid. So this is representing the vitreous fluid. This is the lens. Take that out. And then we just see the same things we already saw. So the retina, the optic nerve, and the optic disc. And that is everything on the eyeball.